completely. This is your set of 4 8-inch glass dessert plates. Yes, I said glass. Yes, they are dishwasher safe. They are not designed for your oven. This is not stoneware. This is glass. And it's decorative glass. And look at how beautiful. Now, earlier, our holiday in the platters sold out in just minutes. Today, you can pick up the plates with their gift box, and it says, eat, drink, and be merry. And then it says, joy to the world, love, complete with the cardinal for Tara's dad. Then, 'tis the season of giving. There's Penny the Penguin. And then finally, happiest of holidays. That is your holiday choice, and I took some time to talk to you about that one because I have fewer than 1,000 remaining. And Tara, let's just be real clear. You don't pay $17.92 per plate because you might think you would because that's a good price, right? I'm about to blow your mind. You're going to get all 4 plates and the gift box for $17.92. And they're glass.
That's right.
Tara, these are lovely.
Aren't they fabulous? I love that they coordinate back, David. I love that if you have service for 8 or service for 12, you can pick up as many sets as you want. They do come gift box, and I think plates are always something someone can use, but may not necessarily purchase for themselves. So if you're thinking about that great gift, this is a phenomenal gift that you know that they will use. And as you just showed, you don't have to baby these in and out of the dishwasher, which is great. Decorative glass, typically, you have to hand wash. The fact that you now have these glass plates that you can layer in with your stoneware plates. When you talk about that kitchen reimagined, reimagine your dining room table also, whether it's just for breakfast, whether it's just for lunch or dinner. These
Tara,
are fabulous. Yes?
We just lost holiday.
Oh, boy. Okay.
So holiday is gone.
Holiday's gone. All right.
And the matching gift box that goes with it is gone. So we're going to swap this out for confetti.
Good idea. And notice that the confetti has the lilac box. All the boxes coordinate with the color. So if you picked up the woodland platters, I know they're gone, but get the plates that coordinate back with it, because this is one of those things like, you know, when you go to the store and you buy like a shirt and there are pants that you absolutely wanted to have with it, and then you don't get the pants, and then you're like, why didn't I just get the pants? This is that kind of story when you're thinking about how that table is going to look, how that experience is going to happen, and the fact that they all go in the dishwasher, the plates are just a no-brainer.
Well, and when you go back 2 months later looking for the pants are long gone. All right, now,
gone.
Hey, let's remind you in the classic, we have the confetti. I also have the red.
So pretty.
Here's the green, the blue, the gray, taupe, and the gray. Now, up top is polka dot. I only have 2 colors in polka dot. I have it for you in gray, $4.50, and I have taupe, $2.30. Now, woodland, this is going very quickly. If you picked up the woodland platters, let me encourage you to get the plates. A set of 4 plates in the white woodland, how many? $1.50. In the taupe woodland, $200. And in the gray woodland, $2.50. Talk about kitchen reimagined with those clean, bright neutrals, right? And then down below, if stripes are more your bag, 3 brand new colors to match your 3 brand new striped platters, blue, green, and red. Then I've got gold, then champagne, then rose gold, and on the end, we're calling that one silver. All of it comes together, Tara, 4 glass 8-inch plates and gift box, all of it for $17.92.
Incredible.
Crazy.
And so fun to pop this in with the stoneware that you've already been collecting. So when you have those holiday desserts and you can put them out on that coordinated tray with that coordinated plate, I just love the way, I know you love matchy-matchy.
I do.
I love the way that that looks coordinated. And then again, whether it's cakes, whether it's desserts, whether it's toast in the morning, these will be your go-to that when you layer them into your stoneware, just add a whole new dimension. There's so much mixed materials. Yes, David?
Call on me, teacher, call on me.
Yes.
Call on me.
Yes, David?
I've got my hand raised. Call on me, teacher. What if you wanted to do holiday desserts and you need dessert plates and you buy 1 set of red, set of 4, 1 set of red, and 1 set of green. They're only $17.92 per set of 4. So now you've got 2 sets at $17.92 each, and you've got 8 plates of red and green for your holiday get-together.
Oh, pretty.
Oh, we just sold out of white woodland. White woodland is gone. So lots and lots of you are thinking, should I get multiples? The answer is yes. Get multiples. Why? Because Tara doesn't have plans to do this again this year. Need this for the holidays, whether it be a gift or for entertaining. And you know, Tara, we're probably entertaining smaller numbers of people this year. So what a perfect opportunity to have a set of 4 or 8, just the right number. And here's my favorite part of all. It goes in the dishwasher when it gets dirty.
Yes, of course. Absolutely. There's a casualness, David, in the way that we're eating every day. So these will become that kind of everyday plate for you when you don't want to be getting down the big dinnerware plates and things like that.
Yeah, I really snack a lot, as you might imagine. Look at me, I haven't missed a snack. And this is fantastic because I can take one of these right to the living room and watch a little television. So,
yes.
Miss Tara, thank you so much for being here today. A real pleasure. We're going to remind everyone to stay on the line because this price good until end of day today or until your color and pattern sells out, whichever happens first. Tara, make it a great Sunday, my darling. What time will we see you later today?
I will be back at 4 o'clock, and then we have a big 2-hour show with lots of new tonight at 7 p.m.
Looking forward to that. In the meantime, we're going to check in with our Mary, who is feeling a bit lavender today, I see.
Well, a lot of folks are. It's a rather popular choice in the Kitchen with David mugs that are back available. But we have some items in the show that when you make a purchase, you hear us talking about a partnership with the Food Network. So when you purchase one of those previous selected items, you're actually going to get access to a code that's going to get you into the Food Network app for 6 months. So that's just a great offer that comes along with each item so that you get to access Food Network